Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the continuation of the lesson Getting to Know Plants. In the last class, we saw about herbs, shrubs, and trees. Today we are going to mixing with creepers and climbers. Now we are going to study briefly about the stem. You know that different types of stems are present in different trees and plants. You can compare with the different types of stems with different trees, and here one activity is given based on this. For this activity, what are the things we require means we need a glass. See, we need a glass, water, red or blue ink, and soft stem. Here they have used the red ink. Okay, what you have to do means you can see the color mixed with water. Yes, after some times you find that color rises in the stem, and if this kept for a long period, the colors will spread over the veins of the leaves. Okay, first for this activity, what you need a tumbler, water, red or blue ink, and cut the stem from the plant. After you insert the stem inside the red ink, what happens means after some times this red color spreads over the stem and it goes to the leaves, veins. So from this you come to know that water moves up like this only. Water and minerals are transferred to the plant from the other parts attached to the stem. Okay, now you clear how the water is transporting from ground to the other parts of the stem. Next, we are going to see about the leaf. See the leaf, what are the parts present? This is petiole. Then, petiole means which is attached to the stem nib. Next, stem. This one is lamina, that is a broad thickened one. Which one we call it as petiole? The part of the leaf which is attached to the stem. Okay, one part only attached to the stem, that we call it as petiole. Lamina means the broad green part of the leaf, we call it as lamina. Do all the plants have this petioles and leaves? Yes, we have to do a better impression. If you thought that leaves cannot shine, then you can use this activity. See, what are the things required means it's just nothing, one white sheet of paper and a leaf and then pencil. See what they are doing, you keep the leaf under the white sheet and shade it using the pencil on the white sheet. Afterwards, you can see the lines on the leaf. You can see some lines on the leaf. For example, you can take a leaf from nearby your plant and you can check it. You can see some lines on the leaf. That lines we call it as veins. Okay, lines of on the leaf is called veins. Then the permanent line will be present in the middle. You can see, take a leaf and see some lines will be present, that is called the veins, and a prominent line, that is a permanent line, will be present, that is called midrib. Because it is present in the middle only, no, so they named as midrib. Next, what is mean by leaf venation? Leaf venation means the design made by veins in a leaf. That is, some designs will be there like V shape, U shape, like that some designs will be present in the leaf, that we call it as leaf venation. If on the leaves midrib will be present in the middle, on the both sides some designs will be present, that is called as reticulate. That shape is like parallel to each other will be present, so we call it as parallel venation. So about the leaf, what and all they have given: veins, midrib, leaf venation, reticulate, parallel venation. Veins means lines on the leaf are called veins. Midrib means a middle portion of the leaf is called a midrib. Leaf venation means on the both sides of the veins there will be a designs, that is called leaf venation, and net-like design is called as a reticulate. How it is present means parallelly it is present. Okay, see, this is midrib. Which one? Middle midrib, and the side veins. The picture is given. Okay. Okay, students, in this class we studied briefly about the stem, that is different types of stems are present, and the stem how it getting the water and minerals through an activity we saw using a stem in a glass with colored water. Afterwards, we studied about the leaf. In the leaf, what are the parts present? Petiole, lamina and stem. Petiole means part of a leaf which is attached to the stem is called petiole. Lamina means green part of the leaf on the broad is called lamina. And we studied about what is veins, midrib, leaf venation, reticulate and parallel venation. You will get this worksheet as a PDF. Write the answer and send it to 6th Science Snaps group, timing from 6 pm to 8 pm. Thank you, students.